Go ahead. Miss Antoinette. I'm videotaping you.
Oh, cool.
Shoveling snow off of your car.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Well, I got mine cleaned off a little bit, but now it's just to clean around it.
Exactly. Which is the hardest part.
Which part you think is the hardest?
Cleaning around it.
Yes, that's the hardest part. Miss Gwen is doing a great job.
Huh?
She almost done.
I am done.
She's done.
You talking about almost? I am. Yes. Yes. I am
Miss
done.
Gwen is done, but look at it. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is a day to remember. I tell you. 2010 blizzard. Everybody's trying to dig out now.
Oh, you have a
Video.
a thing on there where you can talk and stuff too?
Yeah, I'm videotaping us.
Oh, go ahead now, stuff.
Gwen is the expert, ladies and gentlemen, at digging out snow.
What a bad. I'll be hurting.
Tonight? I know I will. I know I'll be hurting tonight.
Right about now, it's like Teddy Pendergrass said, rub you down with some hot oil.
We might need it after today, all of us.
And,
We're going to need that.
And have a nice glass of wine.
Oh, I could use one of those right now. Yeah. Something to relax you, you know? The blizzard of 2010 blizzard.
Also known as Snowmageddon.
Who?
Snowmageddon.
Snowmageddon. Okay. I didn't know that.
No, everybody's trying to come up with a name for it.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, how cool is that?
At work we had everybody was having a competition trying to figure out a name for it. Someone called it Snow My God.
I like that one. I like that one, Snow My God.
Snowmageddon. Someone called it Frosty's Revenge.
Oh, they're coming up with some pretty cool names.
Yeah, yeah.
Snow My God. We really need God right now, I can tell you that. Those are some cool names. What did you guys decide on?
I think they decided on Santa's Revenge or something like that. It was something lame.
Okay. That was pretty neat.
Yeah.
Great idea, whose ever idea that was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we get bored. Well, we don't get bored at work, but
sounds like you guys have fun.
So everybody's out there trying to top each other creatively.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
I like that. Fun on the job. Look at this. Wow. Everybody's digging out today.
I would have had a hard time getting up.
Oh my goodness. What can we do?
Just stick it out. I was offering my mother I was like, oh, do you want me to come over and try to shovel you out? She's like, no, you can't get out either.
And nobody can get out.
Yeah.
Because my son, he's stuck at work.
Oh no.
On his job, and his family is home.
Oh no.
So he has to go home and dig them out after he finished digging out at work.
Right. That's not fun at all.
I wasn't even going to ask him to come all the way down here and dig me out. From Columbia? Oh no.
It's a lot.
I'll be afraid for him to drive down here.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean?
I told you my brother's in Columbia.
Yeah.
And all yesterday during the snow, he would clean around their house just so he would have a little less to do later.
Exactly. That was smart.
But
when are you leaving us?
Yeah. I'm going to get the trash.
We ain't going to get the trash.
The hardest part is done now.
Oh, lucky you.
I'm going to go get the trash.
Lucky you. Leave your shovel out here so I can finish digging out.
Yeah.
You guys are done? Y'all going in?
Yeah. Yeah, we was out here for a minute.
Oh, man.
We've been out here a good while, Joann. I don't even know what time it is. You missed Mr. Egger. He did the break dance over there. He went down, but I'm glad he didn't get hurt.
I should have recorded that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was.
But I'm glad he didn't get hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he fell. Is that what you meant? He fell?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
he
goodness.
fell.
Thank God.
We can laugh and joke about it now because he ain't hurt. They might be sore tonight, but at least he's not hurt. Because I don't think the ambulance could have got in here.
No, they couldn't have.
No. And can't nobody get out
Goodness.
and stuff. And
So are you going out now?
I ain't going nowhere.
Oh, you know?
Oh, where I'm going?
I was gonna ride with you.
Where I'm going? Me I would be in trouble out there. Yeah.
2010 blizzard.
Yeah.
What you call it, Miss Antoinette?
Snowmageddon.
Snowmageddon.
Or Snowmageddon.
Oh my God.
Where you at, Debbie? You missed
I know.
Oh, Debbie, you should have been here. Joann gotta let you see this when me and her come visit you.
I tried to call her this morning, but she was digging out snow.
Yeah, she told me when she called me yesterday, she said, Gwen, she said, I can't even see my car. I can't see nothing but the antenna. She said, you gonna come help me? I said, no, you short. I said, you too far.
No.
I said, you too far now, Debbie.
Y'all need an extra shovel?
Yes, thanks, please. I'll bring it to your house when we're done. It's our turn now. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
It's over.
2010 blizzard. We're just about dug out.
I'm out of here.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Big Gwen, say bye.
No, bye-bye, but I'm coming back. I left my car running.